Don't scroll, you need to see how this beauty came together. First up, 2 cups of flour. We're gonna make a well, and we're gonna use 3 eggs. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna whisk our eggs, slowly incorporating our all-purpose flour. Once we get to this stage, we're gonna go in with our hands and start kneading. I noticed that my dough was getting a little bit dry, so I did have to add just a little bit of water, and then I kneaded it together. We're gonna make a disc, cover it with saran wrap, and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Grab our pasta out of the refrigerator. I'm gonna flour our surface. Cut our dough into 4s. Keep these covered so they don't dry out. I set my KitchenAid to 2. This is set to 1. In order for me to get the perfect sheet of pasta, this is my process. I do a series of folds in order to get everything in alignment, and then I end up with this. From here, I increase the numbers on my pasta maker from 1 all the way to 6 because that's how I prefer my pasta. So now we're gonna take our pasta and we're gonna feed it through our spaghetti maker. The outcome is homemade pasta. There truly isn't anything like it. It tastes absolutely amazing. I hope you try for yourself. Bye guys.